Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at KYB Autos. Today I have a 1983 GMC era K1500. K stands for four-wheel drive. It's a short box, regular bed as you can see. Finished in black with red interior. It's got a great motor in it, 350. I think that's what these came with originally. About 1,200 miles or so on the motor. Nice straight body. Sitting on BF Goodwrench tires. Got a brand new dual exhaust and mufflers right out to the tailpipe. These are chrome tips. 700R trans. This truck's pretty loaded. The Sierra Classic comes, with power windows, AC, tilt, power locks. Also has power steering, power disc brakes. It's an automatic 700R4 to 4-speed. This truck has dual tanks too. And with the selector valve, you can switch them. All new brakes on the back, all new components. Nice and clean on the inside. You can say it's a real nice driver. You can see it's a brand new bezel, OEM steering wheel. There's your fuel tank selector right there. Rear sliding window. Nice clean bed. Nice super straight body. This has a new drive shaft up front. New front bumper too. It's an older paint job, shows well. Not perfect, nice driver. Runs and drives really, really nice. Gets a lot of attention on the road. You see a lot of these around two-wheel drive, but you really don't see the four-wheel drive version. Looks like the original cloth seat. So comfortable. Seat belts. Looks like the original headliner, visors. Tilt wheel. Again, power windows, power locks. All-weather mats. And it's got, according to the Carfax, I think it's got 212,267 miles. Runs nice. Great oil pressure. New battery. I think I said that. Exhaust sounds really nice too. Class 3 tow package too. New wiring harness. There it is. The carburetor, chrome valve covers. I think those are Edelbrock. Like I said, it's got headers, lower radiator hose, brand new. Upper radiator hose is new also. And again, power steering, power brakes, and AC. Foam air cleaner. AC works. A new washer can too. These tires look pretty new too. These are 31 by 10 and a half with a 15-inch rally wheel, original rally wheel. You can see it's got brand new exhaust. It's a little flaky, but there's no rust anywhere. Extra. Little crack in the dash. Over here as well. Missing a radio. Looks like a new radio bezel though. It's nice. A lot of times they'll put the options on here, which is there right here. Pretty cool. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Michael from KYB Autos. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's priced to sell. You're not going to ask $1 million for this thing. It's a great driver. Thanks a lot.